Good morning, class. I am Miss Jennifer Bitikinia, your science teacher. Good morning, class. Today, we are going to discuss about pure substance and mixture based on a set of properties. Are you ready to listen and learn? If you are ready, let us start. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to distinguish mixtures from substances based on a set of properties. Explain the two types of pure substance and mixture. These down examples of pure substance and mixture that we use and see every day. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter is categorized into pure substance and mixture. The two types of mixture are homogeneous and heterogeneous. On the other hand, the two types of pure substance are elements and compounds. Now, I will explain to you what is pure substance and mixture. Pure substance cannot be separated into two or more substances by physical or mechanical means. It is homogeneous, that is, has uniform composition throughout the whole sample. It has properties that are constant throughout the whole sample. It has constant chemical composition. Examples of pure substances are sugar, salt, and copper. There are two types of pure substances: elements and compounds. Elements are simplest pure substance. It cannot be broken down into simpler substance. The smallest particle of an element that has the properties of an element is an atom. Examples of elements are silver, gold, and sulfur. Compounds are made of more than one element. It can be separated into elements. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms chemically combine. Examples of compounds are sugar, salt, and carbon dioxide. I will explain to you an element. There are 12 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen, and 11 atoms of oxygen, and the product is sugar. So when you combine the three elements, it will produce a compound. So carbon is an element, hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element, and sugar is a compound. Sodium chloride or salt is a combination of sodium and chlorine. Sodium is an element, chlorine is an element, and it will produce into compound. CO2 or carbon dioxide is the combination of carbon, oxygen, so the product is carbon dioxide. Carbon is an element, oxygen is an element, therefore carbon dioxide is a compound. Another category of matter is mixture. Mixture can be separated into two or more substances by physical or mechanical means. It displays the properties of the pure substance, making it up. It has a composition that can be varied by changing the proportion of pure substances, making it up. We can still identify the properties of pure substances even if we mix them together. Example, if you add sugar in water, still, you can taste the sugar because the property of sugar does not change. If we change the amount of pure substances, the composition of mixture doesn't change. Examples of mixture are halo-halo, coffee drink, and coin. Mixture can take many forms: two or more solids, two or more liquids, two or more gases, or any combinations of solids, liquids, and gases. Example mixtures of solids are amalgam, brass, and coins. Mixtures of liquids are coffee drink, wine, and vinegar. Mixtures of gases are air inside the balloons, liquefied petroleum gas, and air. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Two types of mixtures are heterogeneous, meaning different. Homogeneous, meaning the same. In heterogeneous, you can see the different parts or phases of the mixture easily. In homogeneous, you cannot see the different parts or phases of the mixture. This cookie is a heterogeneous mixture because the ingredients are visible to the naked eye. Milk is heterogeneous mixture because the particles are suspended in the water and it can only be seen by using the microscope. This halo-halo has lots of ingredients visible to the naked eye and can be separated through hand picking. This is heterogeneous mixture because there are two or more phases. Another example of heterogeneous mixture is the muddy water in a glass. When you add mud into the water, the mud it will not completely dissolve in the water, but it is suspended at the bottom of the container. Mud is a solid and water is a liquid, and the product has two phases visible to the naked eye. Hence, it is heterogeneous mixture. Example of heterogeneous mixtures are halo-halo, muddy water, and paint. Homogeneous mixture is a substance completely dissolves in another substance. It is also called a solution. The product has only one phase, and it is usually clear or transparent, and it can be separated through physical means. As you can see the picture, the food color is evenly mixed in water. The water changes its color, but it doesn't undergo chemical change. Example of homogeneous mixtures are amalgam, air, and vinegar. When you combine mercury, silver, and other metals, it will produce into amalgam. Mercury is a liquid or solid phase, silver is a solid phase, and amalgam is of one phase. Therefore, it is homogeneous mixture. Air is a combination of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Nitrogen is a gas phase. Oxygen is a gas phase. It means that air is homogeneous mixture because it has only one phase. Vinegar is a mixture of acetic acid and water. Acetic acid is a solid or liquid phase. Water is a liquid phase. Vinegar is a homogeneous mixture because it has only one phase. A solution is a special type of mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a solvent. A solution involves one substance dissolving in another substance, which is usually a liquid. A solution is a homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a solvent. A solute is the solid part that gets dissolved. Example, salt and sugar. Solvent is the liquid part that does the dissolving. Example, water. How to make a solution? So solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Salt is a solute, water is a solvent, and it will produce a solution which is a salt solution. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.